Good morning, everyone. I am Darshi Rahul Jagtap, principal of Mama Preschool. This video is very special because today our student performed on Radio Sugar and Sangli Akashvani Kendra. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Radio Sugar RJ Mr. Omkar Chitnis sir and Akashvani RJ Zarendekar sir and Deepak Thamke sir. And please listen to our student performance on Radio Sugar and Akashvani Sangli Kendra and keep support to our students, and it's very important because 2 to 8 year students are not performed on the Sangli Akashvani Kendra and Radio Sugar. The first school of Mama Preschool performed on Radio Sugar and Sangli Akashvani Kendra. Please listen to our student videos and please keep support to us. Thank you so much.
श्रोतेहो नमस्कार, मी आरजे ओंकार रेडिओ शुगरच्या एका विशेष कार्यक्रमातून आपलं स्वागत करतो. आज आहे 3 जानेवारी, सावित्रीबाई फुले यांची जयंती आणि या निमित्तानंच वाळवा तालुक्यातल्या नेरले इथली मम्मा प्रीस्कूल आणि या शाळेतल्या चिमुकल्या दोस्तांनी सावित्रीबाई फुले यांच्याबद्दलचे आपले विचार हे आपल्यासाठी मांडलेले आहेत. मम्मा प्रीस्कूल नेरल्याच्या चिमुकल्यांचे विचार, त्यांची भाषणं आता या कार्यक्रमातून आपण ऐकणार आहात.
My name is Trisha Sachin Patil. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. शिक्षणाच्या स्वर्गाचे जिने उघडलेदार सावित्री या जगाची शिलेदार. सावित्रीबाईंचा जन्म सातारा जिल्ह्यातील खंडाळा तालुक्यातील नायगाव येथे झाला. त्यांचे लग्न अगदी लहान वयात झाले, म्हणजे 9व्या वर्षी ज्योतिराव फुले चित्रंतना राहिला तडेश्वर. सावित्रीबाई फुले या पहिल्या शिक्षक होत्या. त्यांनी मुलींना पुण्यातील एका शाळेत शिकवले, पण त्या काही वेळ लोकांनी त्यांना दगड मारले, अंगावर शेण टाकले, त्यांना खूप त्रास दिला, तरी त्या घाबरल्या नाही. त्या शिक्षणासाठी राहिला. त्यांची कीर्ती व कार्य फार मोठे होते. जय हिंद. माय नेम इज अधीरा भास्कर मोरे. माय स्कूल नेम इज मम्मा प्रीस्कूल नेरले. Honorable Chief Guest, respected principal, teacher, and my dear friend. Today I am going to tell you about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January 1831. She played an important role in improving women's rights in India during the British rule. Between this, she and her husband Jyotiba Phule support a lot people to throw that and what on Savitribai Phule. So she always kept on extra sari in her bag when she went to teach girls. But she did not give up. She and her husband worked down tirelessly during the famine starting from 1876. They not only distributed free food in different areas, but also launched 52 hostels in Maharashtra. Savitribai Phule role model for all of change. My name is Advita Chamrita Tondari. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule is one of the most admired Indian women. She remembered as Indian first woman teacher, social worker and poet. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January 1831 in the village of Naidar in Satara district, Maharashtra. In 1840, she married to 13-year-old Jyotirao Phule. At the time of her marriage, Savitribai was an illiterate. Savitribai and Jyotirao Phule, along with Sadhunabai, started their own school in 1848 in the face of the social opposition at Birwara, which became her girls' school run by Indians. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. My name is Shivash Sushant Patil. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. ती बघले किती सोसले तरी तिने शिकवले, तरी शिक्षणाचे दोरे पुढे तिच्या साऱ्या लोकांनी गिरवले. आज दिनांक 3 जानेवारी क्रांतीज्योती यांचा जन्मदिवस. तुझ्या उतुंग बिळाची पुढे गवले जंगल असावे, तुझ्या विशाल पंखाखाली विश्व सावे. आज स्त्रिया पश्चित्रात आमगिरी करून दिसून येत आहेत. याचे सर्व श्रेय जाते ते सावित्रीबाई फुले यांना. जय हिंद. माय नेम इज आताम अमोल वातावकर. माय स्कूल नेम इज मम्मा प्लीज स्कूल नेरले. सावित्रीबाई फुले शिक्षणाची ज्योत घेऊन चालले पुढे. समाजाला शिक्षण द्यायला as Savitri Phule. Savitribai Phule यांचा जन्म 3 जानेवारी 1831 रोजी सातारा जिल्ह्यातील नायगाव या गावी झाला. वयाच्या अवघ्या 9व्या वर्षी त्यांचा विवाह ज्योतिबा फुले यांच्या सोबत झाला. महात्मा ज्योतिबा फुले या दोघांनी मिळून मुलींची पहिली शाळा काढली. अशा या मनात काढते जातो. सावित्रीबाईंना शिक्षण दे माझा कोटी कोटी प्रणाम. जय जय मला. My name is Maheshwari Amit Sawant. My school name is Mamma Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule was born on 3 January 1831 in Naigaon, Satara. Her father's name was खंडोजी नेवासे पाटील. Her mother's name was Lakshmibai. Savitribai was married to Jyotirao Phule in 1840 at the age of 9 years. She was India's first female teacher and social reformer and Marathi poet, and her birthday is celebrated as in Girls' Day in Maharashtra on 1st January 1848. She started a first school for Girls' Day in Bhidewada, Pune, to raise the awareness about women's teacher and social rights. She founded Mahila Seva Mandal. Jai Jai. My name is Tisha Jain Jagtap. My school name is Mamma Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule was a notable education and a poet from Maharashtra. She was born on January 3rd, 1831 in a family of farmers in Naigaon, in Satara, Maharashtra. Her husband was Jyotirao Phule. Jyotirao Phule, her entrance to become teacher. Savitribai Phule, along with her husband, was founded first Government School at Bhidewada, Pune, 1848, going on to become India's first woman teacher. Jai Maharashtra. My name is Nanda Rajkumar Pawar. My school name is Mamma Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule as a pioneer socially reformer and educator in India during the 19th century. She was born a poor family in Maharashtra and faced many challenges, but at the time to pursue her education, Phule became the first woman in India, 1848. She was also Jain Maharashtra. My school name is Mamma Preschool Nerle. Good morning, all. I want to talk about Savitribai Phule. She is regarded as the first woman teacher of India. Savitribai Phule born 3 January in the village of Naigaon in Satara. Savitribai Phule was married to 13 years old Jyotirao Phule. Jai Bharat. My name is Shivanya Ratan Jadhav. My school name is Mamma Preschool Nerle. अनाथालयावर मात करून स्त्री शिक्षणाचा पाया असण्याचा पहिला महिला शिक्षिका सावित्रीबाई फुले होत्या. शिक्षणाच्या स्वर्गाचे जिने उघडलेदार सावित्री जगाची शिरलेदार. सावित्रीबाई यांचा जन्म 3 जानेवारी 1831 साली महाराष्ट्रातील सातारा जिल्ह्यातील एका छोट्याच्या गावात नायगाव या गावी झाला. त्यांनी त्यांच्या जीवन काळात 2 पुस्तके लिहिले. काव्य फुले या कविता संग्रहाने वाचकाचे लक्ष वेधून घेतले. त्यांनी त्यांच्या कवितेत सांगितले, तुम्ही ते शिका आणि समाजाला जातीवादापासून मुक्त करा. जय भारत. मम्मा प्रिस्कूल नेले. Savitribai Phule was a notable educationist and a poet from Maharashtra. She was born on 3 January in a family of farmers in Naigaon village in Satara. Her husband was Jyotirao Phule. Jyotirao Phule educated her and trained her to become a teacher. Savitribai Phule, along with her husband, founded first girls' school at Bhidewada, Pune in 1848, going into first woman teachers, and Hemash's 2 books of her poems published the काव्या फुले, ॲडमोन काशी, सुबोध रत्नाकर. जय हिंद. My name is Anuj Vaibhav. My school name is Mama. Good morning, all. I was born on 3 January 1821 in the village of Naigao, Tatara. She is regarded first by teacher Apita in 1822. Mayor of India. My name is Sarthak Sharat Patil. My school name is Mama School Nelle. Honorable Chief Guest, respected teachers, and my dear brother and sister. Today I am going to tell you about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was born on 3rd January. She played an important role in improving women's rights in India during British rule. During this time, she and her husband Jyotirao Phule suffered a lot. People used to throw them tamil on Savitribai. So she always kept an extra sari in her bag when she went to teach girls, but she did not give up. They not only distributed the hymn. My name is Shimala Chandra. My school name is Mama School. सावित्रीबाई फुले यांचा जन्म 3 जानेवारी 1821 मध्ये सातारा जिल्ह्यातील नायगाव येथे झाला. त्यांच्या आईचे नाव लक्ष्मीबाई तळवळचे नाव खंडोजी निवसे पाटील होते. त्यांचा विवाह अवघ्या 9व्या वर्षी झाला. ज्योतिबांनी त्यांना लिहायला वाचायला शिकवले. महात्मा फुले व सावित्रीबाईंना पुण्यातील पूर्व पेठेत मुलींची पहिली शाळा काढली. My name is Cyrus Bastarmal. Master Davis Mama Personal. Today we should go to school, college, excellent, Europe, of life, alignment. All this are possible because of Mahatma Phule and his wife Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was born on 3 January 1831 in the village of Indiana, Satara. In Savitribai was eldest daughter Lakshmibai and Khandoji Niwse Patil. In the village in 1840, Savitribai was married to 13 years old Jyotirao Phule. She was an Indian social reformer and poet. She fought for education for girls. She opened an 80 school for girls. In the is remembered as an important pioneer of education for girls and women in India. Jai Maharashtra. My name is Bhargavi Jaikar Jagtap. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Friends, today all girls are taking education along with boys. There is no difference in the school on the basis of caste, but 100 years ago, these all things were not accepted by the society. At that time, girls should take education. There is a difference between people made these statements, and it was made by one person. None other than Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule. In 1848, Jyotirao Phule opened a school for girls. But he didn't get the lady teacher. So on 1st January 1848, Savitribai became teacher. She is the first lady teacher in India and made new history. Jai Hind. My name is Shantri Gansan. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule is held as India's one of the first women feminists, married and the tender age of 9. She fought against social civics like child marriage and Satyagraha. Savitribai Phule was not just a social reformer but also a philosopher, and her poetry mostly revolved around nature. Education. She is regarded as the first female teacher of India. She played an important and vital role in improving women's rights in India. Her courage and strength rural levels and parliament all over the India. Jai Maharashtra. My name is Shaurya Sandeep Kadam. My school name is Mama School name Savitribai Phule होत्या. त्यांनी अंधाराचा उजेड तो शिक्षणाची क्रांती तो गरिबांच्या घरापर्यंत शिक्षणाची गंगा घेऊन जाणारे भारतातील पहिली शाळा करणारे महान क्रांती ज्योती सावित्रीबाई होत्या. त्यांचा जन्म 1831 रोजी 3 जानेवारी 1831 रोजी सातारा जिल्ह्यातील मेगाव गावात झाला. त्यांच्या आईचे नाव लक्ष्मीबाई. त्यांच्या वडिलांना खंडोजे नेवसे पाटील होते. त्यांनी पुण्यातील बेळेवाड्यात मुलींची पहिली शाळा काढली. मग त्यांना शिक्षण दिले. जैन. My name is Swapna Kaur. My school name is Mama School. Savitribai Phule is known as mother of Indian feminism. Born in Naigaon, Satara district on 3rd January 1831. Along with her husband, she opened the 18 schools for girls. Both her first and come up 18 schools come up in Maharashtra, Pune. In her honor, the University of Pune renamed the Savitribai Phule University of Pune, or renamed the house coverage history will inspire women all over India. Jai Maharashtra. My name is Anushka Hassan. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule is held India as the one of the first modern females. Married at the tender age of 9, she fought against social evils like child marriages and sati prata. Savitribai Phule was not just a social reformer but also philosopher and poet. Her poetry mostly revolved around nature education. She is regarded as the first modern female teacher. She played an important vital role in improving women's rights in India. Jai Maharashtra. My name is Rajveer Rupesh Sawant. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule was a notable educationist, poet of Maharashtra. She was born on 3rd January 1831 in a family in Naigaon village in Satara, Maharashtra. In husband was Chhatrapati, educated to become in teacher. Savitribai Phule along with her husband Jai Jawan. My name is Vedant Krishnad Lagar. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to speak to you about Savitribai Phule. Savitribai Phule was an Indian social reformer, teacher and poet. She was the eldest daughter of Lakshmi and Khundoji Newase Patil. Savitribai was married and Jyotirao Phule. At the time of her marriage, Savitribai was educated. Jyotirao Phule educated Savitribai at their home. She opposed many bad practices the life in the marriage, sati and keshopan or the Jain Maharashtra. My name is Rajlakshmi Kasballa. My school name is Mama Preschool Nerle. Savitribai Phule was from India and social reformer and educationist and poet. Her played an instrumental role in women and education from Hindu in the Nile country. Content of women Phule turned the women of both times. Savitribai created for founding the first girls' school in Pune in Bidewada with her husband Jyotirao Phule. Savitribai Phule was also assisted with a society called social reformer society called सत्यशोधक समर फाउंडेड मान्य ज्योतिराव फुले जयंती.
श्रोते हो, सावित्रीबाई फुले यांच्या जयंतीच्या निमित्तानं मम्मा प्री स्कूल नेरलेच्या चिमुकल्यांचे विचार आपण या कार्यक्रमातून ऐकले. मार्गदर्शिका होत्या मम्मा प्री स्कूल नेरलेच्या प्रिन्सिपल दर्शू जगताप मॅडम. कार्यक्रमाची निर्मिती केली होती रेडिओ शुगर 90.8 FM न. ऐकत रहा रेडिओ शुगर 90.8 FM, जिंदगी स्वीट हो जाए.
So, listen to our student performance. And how was our student performance? I know you obviously liked. Please like, share and subscribe to our Mama Preschool YouTube channel and keep support to our student. Thank you so much.